Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 13.1 question number 7. Here you see question number 7 is number 1 simplify. Let us simplify question number 1. Question number 1 is minus 4 to the power cube minus 4 to the power 3. Then it can be written as minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. Right? Therefore, it can be written as minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. Right? Therefore, it can be written as 4 for just 16, 16 into 4. Let us multiply 16 into 4. That is 4 6 is 24, 24, and 4 1 is 4. 4 6 is 24. This is 4. 1 is 4 5 6 64. That we are getting 64. And here you see minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus. Therefore, the answer is minus 64. Right? Now, the second question. This is answer of question number 1. Now, question number 2. Question number 2 is given as question number 2 is minus 3 into minus 2 to the power 3 minus 2 to the power 3. And it can be written as minus 3 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Therefore, you will get it is minus 3, and this will be, you see, minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, minus 8. This is minus into minus is plus, and 3 to the 24. Then the answer is 24 or plus 24. You can say 24 or plus 24, that is same. Now question number 3 here you see is question number 3 is minus 3 to the power 2 into minus 5 to the power 2. Then you can write it as minus 3 into minus 3 and minus 5 into minus 5. Then you will get minus into minus is plus, and 3 into 3 is 9 into minus into minus is plus, and 5 into 5 is 25. 25. And you are getting multiply 25 with 9. 25. Multiply it by 9. Then 5 9 is 45. 4. It is 5. 9 to 18. 18 plus 4 is 22. That is, you are getting 225. 225. The answer is 225. That is the answer. Now question number 4. Question number 4 here you see is question number 4 is minus 2 to the power 3 minus 2 to the power 3 into minus 10 to the power 3. Then you are getting minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 minus 10 to the 3, that is minus 10 into minus 10 into minus 10. This can be written as, here you see, minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus, and 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, that is minus 8, and it can be written as, here you see, minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3. Now minus into minus is plus, therefore 8, and 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3. Then the answer is 8000. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video. And also press the notification bell so that you may get the uploaded videos immediately. Thank you everybody for watching this video.